Meet the LOKFAR Nylon Makeup Bag. 60% PVC, 40% nylon. Hassan, lightweight perfection. At 11.89 inches, it's flat yet surprisingly spacious. Big bag energy. Weighing just 3 OZs. It's like carrying a cloud, but waterproof and useful. DIY dreams come true. Stick or sew patches for your personal flair. Metal zipper closure. Smooth as a dolphin sliding into the ocean. Waterproof and easy to clean spilled foundation. Just wipe it like a pro. From snacks to skincare, it's the Mary Poppins bag of the modern era. Travel, beach, shopping. This bag multitasks better than your favorite app. Available in vibrant colors, it's like a rainbow but more organized. Perfect gift for moms, sisters, or anyone who loves stylish storage solutions. High-quality stitching ensures durability. This bag isn't just cute, it's tough. LOKFAR Makeup Bag, where practicality meets personality. Your stuff deserves this. Ever tried packing for a trip and ended up with chaos in your bag? Lipsticks rolling free, snacks crushed, and skincare buried under tangled wires. Disaster. I once found my toothbrush snuggling with a melted chocolate bar. Gross, right? Then I discovered a pouch that's cute, waterproof, and surprisingly spacious. It's flat, fits anywhere, yet holds all my essentials like a pro organizer. The best part? You can DIY it with patches to make it yours. Mine says snacks, because priorities. But you could go with travel or face. Made of 60% PVC and 40% nylon, it's tough but lightweight. The high-quality zipper, smooth as butter, no tugging or breaking here. Cleaning it is easy, just a damp towel and it's good as new. Perfect for cosmetics, snacks, or even stationery. It's a multitasking superstar. Say goodbye to chaos and hello to the LOKFAR DIY makeup bag. Customer reviews for 1 out of 5 stars, no. One perfect stony clover dupe, great size, and the top is nylon, not a faux leather like others. Highly recommend. 2, love, love, love. I make these cute bags for my customers and myself. 3, this pouch is perfect. I've used it.